Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to shut down your computer or Windows 10 without updating or installing updates in a Windows 10 device. So sometimes Windows updates and it tell you to, and the power button says update and restart or update and shut down, and it will install the updates in your computer when you shut down. So if you don't want to install the shutdown the updates when you shut down, so here's the method. So first you just have to press alt and F4 at the same time. So press alt key and the F4 key at the same time, and it will show a window like this. And in the drop down menu here you just have to choose the shutdown here. Sometimes it's just so update and restart, and also show the update and shutdown. So you don't want to install the update, you just want to shut down your computer, you just choose the shutdown option here and click OK, and it will shut down your computer without installing the update. So that's it. This is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.